Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're looking at page 22 of Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician, and we're looking at our G flat out in 5th position, and keeping relaxed through here to get those lower pitches to come out. Alright, so that was Down in the Basement, and I'm going to play that one again. And Scottish Folk Song 101. And let's slow that down a little bit. Right down to 102, Carnival of Venice. All right, last on the page, Russian folk song. As you're going through Russian folk song, watch your articulations. We have staccato notes, we have accents, and actually that's about it, except for the oddly thrown in D flat in a couple of places. So watch those 5th position D flats on those.